everybody. Today we are at a food festival at Central Udon, and not too much in today's video. There's a lot of food here, so we're going to try a lot of it, hopefully. You excited? Let's get into it. Babe, what you feeling like today? What you feel like?
Definitely Khao Soi, and after that we'll see.
Ah, soup stew. Nice choice. Your favorite?
It is.
Okay.
One squid.
We got takoyaki here, guys. This looks amazing. There's like cheese, ham, crab sticks, squid. I like all of them.
Yes.
I think she's going to get a bit of a mixture today. Ah. What, Khao Soi's back?
Yes.
Okay. Chicken good. Okay. So this is a 4-day event, guys, and it's only Thursday night. It's already so busy. There's just so many shops and food options to pick from. It's pretty freaking awesome. So we got round 1 of food. I mean, I don't even know if we're gonna need a round 2. We got a lot of different things. We're about to try. Moey's actually just getting us a drink now, and then we're gonna look through everything we got. Oh. Show everyone what you have there, babe. What's that called?
Khao Soi.
And what part of Thailand's that from?
From North Thailand.
And what's in it?
Chicken and yellow noodle. I don't know what it's.
I think it's like pickle and onion.
Yeah.
Yes, it's a northwestern Thailand noodle soup stew. Usually get pork or chicken or beef. This one's a chicken specialty. Do you think the lady that was making it was from Chiang Mai? You think she just know what she's doing?
Yeah.
She know, yeah?
Look at that.
All right, that looks pretty good, doesn't it? Wow. All right, try the soup. What do you think of the broth? It looks pretty good. It's the right color. How's it taste though?
It's good. But a bit sweet, but it's still nice.
A little bit too sweet. Okay, she likes it a little bit more subtle. Try the noodles. Let me know what the texture of those is like. Aha. And you see it's got like wet and dry noodle in there as well, although it's all wet now because she's mixed it up. Yeah.
Yeah. The noodle is like a short one.
Yeah. Is the chicken good? Does it have bone or?
Have bone.
Yeah.
Look at that, still dark.
Okay, got you. Sure. Compared to all the other Khao Soi we had in Chiang Mai, what do you think of this one? You think it like a middle or like 10, 9, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3?
Half stick.
Half stick, yeah, just okay. Fair enough.
What do you think?
I agree with you. It's a little bit sweet, but I actually like it. But I think I prefer my food a little bit sweeter compared to you. No, I like the broth. It feels. I like the sweetness and it's spicy, but I feel like it's missing a little something. I don't know what it is, like missing an ingredient or something.
I'm feeling like it's not rich and creamy.
Yeah, it's spicy, it's sweet, but it's not rich. I like it.
Noodle
I
is
enjoy
nice.
it. It's tasty. Just not like, oh my god, this is awesome, you know. So, I hate to say it, babe, but I think your score's pretty close. That being said, we're not in Chiang Mai. We get to eat Khao Soi, better than nothing.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Finally, our drinks have arrived. Look at that. This is a strawberry Italian soda. Oh, it's very nice, very refreshing. Right amount of carbon in it and not too sweet while still being sweet at the same time. Sometimes when you get drinks like this, they're too sweet, babe. But this one's perfect. Try it, you'll love it.
It's like it's made me remind like a mocktail.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Oh, yellow squid. Okay.
I don't know that with the sauce.
Is it like a curry sauce or? I guess we're gonna find out. Have a look. Is it tough? Is it soft? Yeah. All right. Yellow squid, everybody. That's not too tough. Not too easy. It's not like you can bite right through it, actually, which is surprising for squid. Yeah, that's okay. Not massive amount of flavor, but I love the texture. Like, it's very easy to eat. It's good.
Like this one is fresh squid.
Yeah.
The barbecue, but this one they put some sauce on.
Okay. What do you prefer?
I think I prefer
The other one?
the yellow one.
Yeah. we got takoyaki. This is Japanese squid balls, kind of like their own sort of like mayonnaise in the middle with pieces of squid. In Thailand, what's really unique is you can get different flavors of these, like ham or squid, obviously, crab or whatever. This is a mixed box. I've just taken any random one out now and we're gonna try it. So let's see what we got. That one tastes like cheesy and mayonnaise-y. There wasn't any squid in that, but whatever was in that was delicious. It tasted like mayonnaise and cheese that time. Definitely Thailand style, lots of mayonnaise. One you think you got?
Cheese.
You got cheese as well. Oh, right.
I think I got ham cheese.
Where's the squid? There's no squid in that.
I don't know.
Moey made me eat most of that food by myself because she wants to go pick some more stuff. So I had to sacrifice my belly for her.
I have to my durian.
Nice. Yeah, okay, we try. Dumpling, right?
Cheese, crab, and sausage.
Okay.
And salted egg.
Okay.
ด้านบนสดไหมจ๊ะด้านบนสดไหมคะ
Want some sausage?
สด
Sure.
สดแล้ว
You can't go past the pork and not buy.
ไปเลยไปซื้อกันถูกกับตรงนี้จ๋าลูกใหญ่ๆแบบนี้เลย
That looks absolutely delicious. It's
It's
great.
This one is crab.
Oh, crab. Is it good though?
Good, very fresh.
Yeah. Okay.
Very nice. I like it.
อร่อยที่สุดค่ะ
Wow, it's all gone. Bye bye.
เหลือกี่นาที5 นาทีอะไรต่ออะไรต่อ อันนี้ดีกว่าฮะ
Oh, look at that.
Coconut ice cream.
The watermelon, that looks amazing. All right.
แล้วน่าชอบทานเผือกไหมเอ่ยเอาไหมคะกล้วยแตกๆก็มีนะกล้วยเค็มก็มีนะ40 บาท
It's just lovely. It's fresh. It just tastes like a fruit salad with ice cream. But if the fruit salad was only watermelon, right, it's good. Yeah, so this is pretty nice, guys. Coconut ice cream's delicious. It's not as creamy as I thought it would be. It feels like the ice cream is the side. I'd rather the fruit be the side than the ice cream, if that makes sense. But it's still delicious and refreshing. We have no regrets. Well, we're on the way home now. We're stuffed. We ate way too much food. Yeah, we're on the way back to the country tomorrow, so we just wanted to end it in style, and I think we did. And everything that you saw today came to a total of about 345 baht, which is only $10.50 US. It was a really good deal. And yeah, we're going to go in a food coma now. See you guys tomorrow.